you planting?
Pumpkins.
Go! Go! Baby, what you doing?
I'm raining!
Getting all of our little starts watered up. So all these little baby cabbages. Melons, squashes, cauliflower. Got some tomatoes. Look at all of our onions. We got different kinds of variety of basil, Thai basil here. These guys are having flowers. Our little pumpkins are coming up. Hey, the next day, our boogie brew is looking good. All right, getting our tomato game up. Got all these grow bags here. Getting the tomatoes trellised up. What do you got there?
The tomato.
Yeah.
In a pot, and we're going to put it in a big grow bag. And this biological machine is going to turn that black dirt into giant red tomatoes.
Getting our tomatoes up. What are you transplanting, baby?
Various peppers, some hot ones, some sweet ones, some bell ones.
Moving our peppers on up. There's our boogie brew, sort of composty. And we're going ahead and watering in all of our new trellis tomatoes. And these are guys are peppers here. Where are we?
Seven Springs Farm in Czech, Virginia. And we're loading up our amendments.
Just got all the stuff unloaded. Super green sand, amazing stuff. Limestone, army listed, perlite, cocoa core, feather meal, dwarven kelp, sulfate of potash, alfalfa meal, fancy brown rock, phosphate, azomite, really important. Harmony, this is kind of army listed organic fertilizer, good stuff. Worm castings, amazing stuff. Army listed. Dramatic K, amazing stuff. Check this out. EM1, very important stuff. Boron and zinc, very important. Got all of our stuff going here. Got more stuff on the shelf here, here. Basil is looking really nice. We got a couple different varieties here, and they've all come back. Check out these pumpkins. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, oh my God. Baby, what are you making?
Love.
That's true. Alright, good morning! Alright, another day at the farm. Just having an apple snack. Getting some trellises set up here. We got these awesome 20-gallon grow pots here for these tomato transplants. They're loving being in the space when we're putting up these trellises here. So basically we're just doing some twine work, and they'll end up looking like this, where they kind of have a spot to go up like that. Working really well, and hopefully soon we'll have tomatoes. Basil's getting tall. They love these new pots. You got squash flowers starting to open up, and peppers coming. Looks like these ones are starting to do good. Right, getting tall, getting there. Baby, what is this?
In our compost!
Breaking ground, I guess. This is the soil that we're working with. That is clay. What's happening?
We're just ripping up the ground and destroying all of the mycelium.
Getting rid of this grass.
Yeah.
The tractor way. Getting it plowed, getting it disced, gonna get it tilled. Be putting in tons of amendments and worm castings and all sorts of limestone and just really transforming this area into some market garden style beds right here.